Hi everybody, my name is Brian. I am a student at Sterling College and my instructor is Mehrdad. Lately we've been learning Ubuntu. We've completed 3 workshops so far and I'm just going to give you a quick summary and hopefully instructional video on everything that I've learned with it. So you can see I'm in a tutorial directory. I've created that just so if I accidentally delete it, I don't actually delete anything important here. So we're going to start by making a few directories. You can just add a space in between. And I can create multiple directories at the same time. I can also add or make nested directories with the -p. And so here you can see what's inside of said directories. This function here won't show it too deep, but there is another directory inside of there. So we can go 6. And if we had contents in directory 6, it would show us what's in there. After that, we learned how to create text files. I know it looks a little funny this way, but I'll be able to show off some other features after. So it's just a simple, this is test. You put the quotations, and then after that, you can create a few of them. And so now I've got 3 test files. Oh, I see, I named one wrong there. And so now we can use the concatenate feature. And we'll make them into a new file called combined.txt. So now we got 4 files, and if we go concatenate, you can see of everything I put in there. We learned how to copy files as well as rename them in the process. We can go copy combine.txt. We'll put in directory 1 as text combine.txt. And now you can see we've made a copy and renamed it as well. You can also do the same with the move function. It works very similar, except instead of making a copy, it simply just moves the file with a new name. After that, we learned the word count function. So we can, or word count, the -l will actually turn it into a line count here. It'll tell us we got 6 lines, or we can go like this. And we have 6 lines, 12 words, and 45 characters. So if we go back into here and look at the actual file, you can see where it's got 6 lines. I don't want to count all that. We obviously got 12 words, and I'm just going to assume it's true for 45 characters. We can also go This isn't going to work, but I will explain in a second here. And so this unique function is supposed to omit the repeating lines. It says 6 lines, so that doesn't seem right. But if we go man unique, it provides us with a manual in which we can look, and it says filters adjacent matching lines. So that's a problem. So we can also use this sort function. And then we'll go less, and this less function will just put it into a nice little list for us. So you can see here. So now we're down to 4 lines like it should be. You know, this was repeated 3 times, so it omits 2 of them, and then we're left with the proper amount. So now if we do that same function with the word count, 4 lines, perfect. Next, we're going to look at the sudo command. So I'm going to try and install this feature here, and we get a could not open lock file, permission denied. So I'm going to use the sudo command, and that will just let me act as a super user. So I will have the credentials to do this as an administrator. I would exercise caution with it because I'm sure you could probably do a lot of damage. And also the credential, I believe, lasts for a small amount of time. So if you left your computer and somebody else came along, I'm sure they could get you into trouble. So you can see there, it installed the package. So if we go tree, it will give us a nice directory of everything that we've created and all the files within those directories. So say we had move test1.txt into directory 4.6. Now you can see test1 is in our nested directory. After that, we're going to move on to hidden folders. So I'm going to make a new directory. If I use tree again, you can see nothing shows up, but I can go tree-a, and now you can see our hidden directory. And so I'm going to move commands.txt into my hidden directory, and we are going to also rename it at the same time as a hidden file. And so now if I go tree, you can see our hidden folder is there along with our hidden combined.txt. And so now the only people that are going to be able to find it are the administrators. So you can actually function with these commands here. So I think that's basically it. The last thing I learned from this was always keep your workspace tidy. So we are going to remove everything because no point in keeping wasted space here. I'm going to go /temp/tutorial. We could, so this remove function here and the -r, it will remove everything with no questions asked. So we can also add an I onto here and it will give us a prompt whether we want to delete everything. But since we have so much and I don't want to go through all that, I'm just going to say delete. And it's gone. So now if we go cd/home/run and try to get back into our directory, you can see it no longer exists. So I hope you learned something from this video, and I thought it was very interesting. I've learned a lot from this course so far. So thanks for watching and have a good day.